another unboxing from Fendi, and this item I purchased from Luisa Via Roma. Please guys, stay with me. Hello ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Oxana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. I think it's almost like third video in a row I'm gonna mention this information, but I believe I have to mention my giveaway for my subscriber is still going on. It's going on up to April 21st. I'm gonna link that video for the giveaway if you are interested to enter yourself for the giveaway, and the giveaway is $300. Please visit that video and follow the instruction to be entered for the giveaway. Today's video is another unboxing of Fendi. I lately somewhat going crazy, total loca you know, with the Fendi, but I love brand. And I almost rediscovering the brand for myself, because for a while I kind of like, you know, totally step away from Fendi. I was more you know, about Louis Vuitton, Chanel. Not that I don't like Louis Vuitton or Chanel, it's definitely two of the most favorite brands, but lately I'm all about Fendi, like really. So this one is unboxing, but I already checked the package, because you know I have to. The moment I receive item, I have to check the package just in case, you know. So it came obviously with the information from the Fendi, my receipt from the Luisa Via Roma. That's how it was packaged. Unfortunately, this specific bag didn't come with the box. That was somewhat disappointment, because you saw my previous unboxing, it was also shoes that I purchased from Luisa Via Roma, and the shoes came with the box, but this specific bag has no box, unfortunately. So that is the dust bag, and if you follow me on Instagram, most likely you know what kind of bag is that. And this is Fendi Can I. So that's how it's, oh my it's all twisted. It's all twisted. So that's how it looks like. I definitely want to come closer to the camera. So let's just open up, like let's just open up the button, and I'm gonna remove this packaging just in case. So let's just have a closer look at this specific bag. So that's what I have. I'm gonna come a little bit closer to the camera to show for you guys. So as you can see, this bag is made of calf skin. I like the embossed leather with the FF logos. This color they call tobacco, the brown color. They don't call it brown, at least in the description it's called tobacco. So it's tobacco and black color. The chain is very heavy, and on top there is a little bit of leather part to the strap, and I just, hopefully the camera can pick it up, maybe not. On those little buttons also there is a FF. Just a second. So once again I'm gonna come a little bit closer, hopefully you can see, but there is a little FF on those buttons, and that's how it looks like. Let me come a little bit closer. The back button. Chain is actually quite heavy. I didn't even expect it to be so heavy. And this is the interior. It's actually quite large. You can fit lots of items. You can definitely fit lots of items. So my first impression of this bag, I mean, I saw it before in Fendi store, and I like it. I like it very much. So I want to know, guys, what you think of this bag. Do you like it, or maybe not as much? What do you think of this bag? I'm gonna do definitely my modeling shots, and while my modeling shots are running, you know, I gather a little bit of information. I thought maybe it's going to be somewhat interest to you about Fendi brand. You know, when it comes to the luxury brands, you know, the longer the brand in the business, the more brand is popular, the more brand is trustworthy. Let's put it this way. And apparently Fendi was established in 1925, so they're really long time in business. And you know, for very long time, Karl Lagerfeld, actually creative director of the brand, which is he's obviously no longer, because he's no longer with us. But just as a comparison, you know, the oldest brand obviously in the markets that we have right now, the luxury brands that well known, it's Hermes. And Hermes was established in 1837. After the Hermes, it was the Louis Vuitton, and it was founded and established in 1854. After that, it was a Chanel, and it wasn't even established as a brand per se, but she opened her first store in 1909. But that's how the count goes for the Chanel. So, and then the Fendi is 1925. I was actually pleasantly surprised, not that I didn't know that information before, but just kind of comparing the history of the brand with other really well-known brands. I totally forgot to mention Christian Dior. Christian Dior was also established in 1946. So actually Christian Dior was established after the Fendi. So I'm very pleased obviously with the history of this brand. And so far as you know, guys, I have already several items from Fendi. I got my, let me show you, I got my Fendi Peekaboo I got my additional strap for Fendi Peekaboo. I got my shoes, and actually I think this shoes also is going to be a very nice complement to this bag, you know, because it has a little bit of red, just a touch, you know, kind of tie it all together. So I'm very pleased with this unboxing, very pleased with this brand. I don't know what you think of all of this. I want to know what's your opinion on this specific bag. Do you think it's maybe too much of the logo? Not that per se I shy away from the logo, you know, my Fendi dress, it was all over F's. But I like it very much. Sometimes we need to be a little bit bold, and as I said, for myself this year it's a challenge to be more adventurous, to be more bold with my style and my choices. So that is my unboxing for Fendi Can I. And this is Fendi Can I in black and tobacco color with FF embossed in leather. So please let me know what you think of this specific bag. Do you like it or you dislike it? Would you choose the different styles? And by the way, almost forgot to mention, I purchased this bag from Louis Via Roma and I got discounted price. And this bag, it's actually star items, so you know, usually when it's a star items, it never goes on sale. But this is Mel in Melbourne. She got 10% off discount if you go, and the discount code is shop tagger. I'm gonna also link her video in the description box, and I'm gonna also put that you know, code tag for the Louis Via Roma. Few brands are actually not included. The big one not included, I think it's Gucci, don't remember another one. You can watch her videos, but I know because I was trying to purchase something from Gucci and Gucci is not included. But Fendi, Manolo Blahnik, some other like also quite large brands are actually included in that discount code, and I believe that discount code up to April the 2nd. Okay, alrighty guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you again on my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Subscribe to my channel because I definitely want to see you more on my channel. By the way, I don't know if that could be any interest to you. I remember when I was just started my YouTube channel, it was a year ago, because as I said, I'm just celebrating my 1 year on the YouTube. And I don't know, maybe when I was just establishing the channel, I pressed some wrong buttons, etc, etc. It was never showing the number of subscribers that I have on my channel, and I was so upset all the time, thinking like, oh, people maybe think that I have no subscribers whatsoever to my channel. And the other day I was just like, you know, going through my channel, and once again maybe accidentally I unpressed some buttons and now it's actually, I believe that now it actually shows the number of subscribers on my channel. I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet, and I'm looking forward obviously to reach this another milestone in my life, or like not my life, on my YouTube life, let's put it this way. But I'm very, very grateful to all of you guys who subscribe to my channel and continue supporting me, because for me to be actually 1 year on a YouTube and actually 1 year producing videos, not just like, you know, placing some or putting some video and then don't go on a YouTube for another 6 months. No, I believe I actually quite consistent with you know, placing my videos on the YouTube, trying to be creative, and I'm hoping that my videos are improving you know, month to month. And I'm looking to all of your suggestions, and I'm definitely looking to see you again on my channel. Please, please, please consider subscribing, because I would love to see you in my YouTube families. And mentioning once again, the giveaway for my subscriber is still open. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again, guys, and until our next meeting, bye bye.